What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol AAPL for Apple Inc., of course. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We talk about the stock regularly here on the channel. Main thing to point out is that we did get price acceptance higher on today's session, and we're kind of still right at the top end of this flag with not quite the strongest candle close above, but I do think the price action is bullish. Let me show you why on the 30-minute time frame. For now, again, the big thing we were discussing in the past was this double bottom. The neckline here was broken and it held on a break and retest, right? So not only did we have that, we gapped up today, we filled that gap, which again is a good thing from a structural repair perspective. And then we held it additionally into the last hour of the day. So to me, the fact that the sellers tried to make another attempt to get closer to that neckline, but it was immediately bought back up into the close, that strikes me as being fairly bullish. Notice that the buy up, of course, is the, let's get rid of that, is the afternoon market on close orders. So big volume supporting that move higher. Looks like people definitely wanted to be involved towards the close there. And it just strikes me as being bullish, right? All of this sideways price acceptance higher and as opposed to closer to this neckline right here. So I like the upside here inside of Apple. Obviously, we're going to have to take out the day's range to continue into that 177.50 target coming from the lower high here. After that, it's all-time highs, right? It's back on the table here inside of Apple. This one has shown phenomenal relative strength over the past couple of weeks, really, as the market's been going through turbulence. I mean, this one was the first to snap back, right? And kind of no surprise, Apple's that big staple name out there. So, again, it just doesn't strike me as being shocking. Regardless, we're looking for more upside, right? Can we break out of this daily bull flag, get a little bit more follow through here, closer to that 181 target? That is, I'm sure, what's on a lot of people's minds. We'll see if we can get some continuation outside of the day's range tomorrow. Obviously, a new line in the sand to the downside has been developed based on the gap fill and the reaction in the afternoon. That new level is roughly 175.10, 175 even. We know Apple likes the nice round numbers. So as long as we're above that, continue to have this bullish stance. If we break down underneath, obviously the next line is going to be at 173.87 coming from the double bottom neckline. Anything underneath that, probably back into consolidation mode inside of Apple. As long as this kind of happens over time, fine. Again, anything underneath, probably consolidation, more sideways acceptance before the upswing can continue. That's all I've got for you. If you enjoyed the video today or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.